Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Additional mathematics for those who are doing Igcse, which have syllabus code 0606, and for those who are doing CIE O level, which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefits from this course. As you know, students, we have started chapter number 1 from this book. Name is functions, and we have done first 6 exercises. Exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.6. And we also started exercise 1.7 and we did question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as well. So we are going to start remaining questions of this exercise. First, have a look question number 6. And those students who are watching this lecture, my video first time, kindly first uh, get concept. In order to get concepts, go to my playlist where you can see the folder name is AddMath. Uh, all previous exercises you can find in that folder. So let's have a look question number 6. So this is question number 6. Fx is equals to 4x minus 2 for the domain of x from minus 1 to 3. Sketch on a single diagram the graphs of y is equals to fx and y is equals to f inverse x, showing the coordinates of any point where the line meet the coordinate axis. Axis means where the line cuts x-axis and y-axis. So whenever you see the word coordinate axis, it means they are talking about x-axis and y-axis. Let's start. Fx is equals to 4x minus 2. Question number 6. Fx is equals to 4x minus 2 and the domain minus 1 2 3, x greater than equals to minus 1 and less than equals to 3. So in order to draw the graph of fx and f inverse x, first we have to make the table of values for fx, and you must know fx means y. Fx function of x is always called y. So we have to make the box first, take the values of x. Now we are restricted to take the values of x because in this case the domain is given. If the domain is not given, then we can take any random value. But for this particular question, we have to take the values of x from minus 1 to 3. So first value is minus 1, and after minus 1 we will get 0, and after 0 we will get 1, then 2, then 3. Now we have to put the values of x in the given function. Our function is y is equals to 4x minus 2. So first we have to put the value of x minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 minus 2. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. So first value is minus 6. Now I am not showing all the working. Now I am going to put x is 0. So 4 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So the second value is minus 2. So when the value of x is 0, then the value of y is minus 2. Now put 1, x 1, 4 1 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. Then put 2, 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 2 is 6. Now put 3, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. I am erasing this. So this is the table of function fx. Now I am going to make the table of f inverse x. F inverse x. Again, make the box. This is x, this is y. In order to make the box of inverse function, you just interchange the value of x and y in fx. See carefully above box. The value of x is minus 1 and the value of y is minus 6. This time the value of x should be minus 6 and the value of y is minus 1. Second, 0 minus 2 replaced by minus 2 and 0. Then 1 2 replaced by 2 1. Then 2 6 replaced by 6 2. And then 3 10 replaced by 10 3. Okay students, so this is the table of f inverse x. Now it's a time of plotting. When you plot the values of x and y, you have to see that the values of x and y in fx and in f inverse x. The maximum value of x in both the table you can see 10, and the maximum value of y in both the table you can see 10. So we have to make the table. First we have to draw x and y axis. So this is x and y axis. This is positive x. This is positive y. This is positive y. This is negative x. And this is negative y. And this point is the origin where all values of x and y, where x-axis and y-axis cuts each other. Now it's a time to plot the values. First value of x, first we have to plot the values of x and y. So x is minus 1, but before we plot, we have to assign the values of x and y. So I am taking this 1 square is 2, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Similarly, on y-axis, I am taking 1 square is 2. 2, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, on negative y-axis, minus 2, minus 4. I want to extend negative x-axis. I am drawing y-axis again. So this is y-axis. This is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. This is negative y-axis. Now it's a time to plot fx. First, x is minus 1, then y is minus 6. So this is minus 1. Where is minus 1? X minus 1 in between 0 and minus 2. So this is first point. This is first point. Second, or I am coloring. I change the color. This is minus 1 and minus 6. Then the second value of x is 0, then y is minus 2. So this is x 0 and y minus 2. Sorry, I am, because Microsoft whiteboard is not working properly because of new edition. So I am not coloring. I am doing this by black ink. Anyways, so 0 minus 2, then 1 2, x1 and y2. So this is x1 and this is y2. Then x2 y6. This is x2 y6, and then 3 10. X is 3, y is 10. Because the function is a straight line, so we just join all the points by using scale, because this is not the curve, this is a straight line. So first value is y minus 1, x minus 1, y minus 6, then 0 minus 2, then 1 2, then 2 6, and then 3 10. This is 1 2, then 2 6, and then 3 10. This is not, this is 3, and this is 10. This is the correct position. Now I am going to join all the points. Here we go. This is the graph of fx. Now we have to plot the values of table of f inverse x. So you can see in the box. Now it's a time to plot the values of f inverse x. So first value is minus 6 minus 1. X is minus 6 and y is minus 1. This is first point. Minus 2 and 0. X minus 2 and y 0. This is the second point. Then x is 2, y is 1. This is the third point. Then x is 6, y is 2. This is the fourth point. Then x is 10, y is 3. Now it's a time to plot to join all the points. Here we go. This is f inverse x. So student, this is the question number 6. And the mirror line between these two graphs is y is equals to x. Y is equals to x is the mirror line. Mirror line y is equal to x means a line which passes through the origin. So this is our mirror line. Y is equals to x. As you know, students, I am using a digital pen, so I am unable to draw a very good straight lines or a very good curve, smooth curve. But because you will use ruler and pencil, so as compared to myself, you can draw more good graph. But the theme is, in order to draw the graph of fx and f inverse x, what you have learned from this class, these are the mirror image of each other. Okay, students, move to question number 7. So this is final overview of question number 6. You can see, you can capture this screen. Move to question number 7. Question number 7 is the function f is defined by fx is equals to 3 minus x plus 1 whole square for x greater than equals to minus 1. Explain why f has an inverse. First, I want to copy this question. Fx is equals to 3 minus question number 7. Fx is equals to 3 minus x plus 1 whole square. This is the function x plus 1 whole square, and domain is given x is greater than equals to, sorry, minus 1, not minus 3, minus 1. This is the domain. Part A. What is part A? Explain why f has an inverse. What is the reason that the inverse of this function is exist? Student, what I told you in exercise 1.1 and in exercise 1.6, a function has its inverse if the function is 1 1. If the function is 1 1, or you may say 1 to 1. 1 1 1. Okay, so what is the meaning of 1 1 function? For every input there is always a 1 output. We can check the values of x is given from minus 1 to above. So first I am taking x is equals to minus 1. Put this minus 1 in the function f of minus 1, 3 minus x plus, sorry, 3 minus x. What is x? X is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 square. So 3 minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 square is 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3. So when we put x is minus 1, we get y is 3. It means for, excuse me, for one input there is one output. This is input. This is input. This is output. Take any other value which is greater than minus 1. I am taking, for example, x is equals to 5. So f of 5 is equals to 3 minus 5 plus 1 square. 3 minus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 square. 3 minus 6 square is 36. And 3 minus 36 is minus 33. So for x is equals to 5, the value of y is minus 33. It means for this one input, this is input, there is one output, and this is the definition of 1 1 function. You can take any value which is greater than or equals to minus 1. You will see that for one value of x there is always one value of y. And if the function is 1 1, therefore we are able to say that its inverse is exist. So what is the answer of this part A? The answer is because this function is 1 1 function. This is just the answer, and below this explanation. So I am rubbing this explanation because I hope you are completely understand this question. So if a function has inverse, you may say it is it is a 1 1 function, or you can say if a function is 1 1, so its inverse is exist. Come to part B. Part B is find an expression for f inverse in terms of x. Very easy. How to find the inverse? Just write the function. This is part B. Fx is equals to 3 minus x plus 1 square. Now recall all the steps to find the inverse. The first step is to replace fx by y. Y is equals to 3 minus x plus 1 square. The second step is to interchange x to y and y to x. So this y becomes x and 3 minus this x becomes y square. The third step is to make y as the subject of the formula. So this minus of y plus 1 whole square shift in this side, it will become y plus 1 square, and this x shift on other side, it will become minus x. So 3 minus x. Now take square root on both sides. Y plus 1, 3 minus x root, and the final answer is y is equals to 3 minus x, and this 1 plus 1 move on other side, it will becomes minus 1. And finally replace this y by f inverse x is equals to 3 minus x root minus 1. So this is the answer of part B. Hope you understand. Very interesting question. Come to part C of this question. Part C is on the same axis. Sketch the graphs of y is equals to fx and y is equals to f inverse x, showing the coordinates of any points where the curves meet the coordinates axis. Same part as we did in previous questions. Because I need more space for drawing the graph, I am just rubbing this. So this is the answer of part B, which I am going to write over here. F inverse x is equals to 3 minus x root minus 1. Okay. Now the part C. Part C is to draw a function and its inverse. So first we have to write the given question again. Now make the box for fx. Take at least 5 values. This is x, this is y. Now we are restricted to taking values of x which is greater than equals to minus 1. So minus 1 and greater of minus 1 is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Take one more value, 4. Now put these values one by one in the given question. First we have to put value x is minus 1. So y is equals to 3 minus 1 plus 1 square. So 3 minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So the answer is 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So first value is 3. Now put x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 3 minus 0 plus 1 square. 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2. Then y is equals to 3 minus, put value 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So this is minus 1. Put 2. Y is equals to 3 minus 2 plus 1 square. 2 plus 1 square is 9. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. So this is minus 6. Y is equals to, put 3 minus 3 plus 1 square. 3 plus 1 4. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 3 is minus 13. And finally y is equals to 3 minus 4 plus 1. 3 minus 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. And 3 minus 25 is minus 22. So this is minus 22. Okay. I am checking again. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 3 answer. Okay. 3 0 plus 1. 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Correct. 2 square is 4. 4 minus 3 is minus 1. Correct. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 3 is minus 6. And 3 plus 4. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 3 is minus 13. And 4 plus 1, 5 square 25. 25 minus 3 is minus 22. No mistake. So this is the table for fx. It's a time to make the table of f inverse x. In order to make the table for f inverse x, just interchange the values of x and y. So this is minus 1 3. It will become 3 minus 1. This is 0 2 becomes 2 0. This is 2 minus 6 becomes minus 6 2. This is 3 minus 13 becomes minus 13 3. And this is 4 minus 2 become minus 22 and 4. So these are the values of fx and f inverse x. Now the next step is to plot these two tables on a same axis. This is the requirement of the question. The maximum value of x in both the table is 6 and the minimum value is minus 22. Similarly, the maximum value of in this the maximum value of x is 3 and the minimum value is minus 22. Similarly, the maximum value of y is 3 and the maximum value is minus 22. In the light of this, we have to draw our lines. Because we need more negative value than positive value, that's why I draw lines this kind. Moreover, I want to draw over here because I need more negative values in both the axes than positive value. This is x, this is y, this is negative x, and this is negative y. Now, what is the maximum value of x3 and the minimum value is minus 22. So I am taking this is our origin minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, 16, 18, 20 and minus 22. Similarly, this is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay. Minus 12, minus 14, minus 16, minus 18, minus 20. Oh, wait. So this is minus 22. Okay, students. These are negative values of y. Now this is 2, 4, 6. Similarly, this is 2, this is 4. Now it's time to plot. X is minus 1, 3. Kindly wait. Now, first we have to plot the values of fx. First value is minus 1, x minus 1, y 3. So x minus 1, y is 3. So 3 is in between 2 and 4. This is minus 1. So this is first cross. Then 0 2, x 0, y 2. This is the second point. Then 1 and minus 1, x1, y minus 1. So this is x1 and this is y minus 1. Similarly, x3, y minus 13. So this is x3 and y this is minus 13. This is the point. x3, y minus 13. x4, y minus 22. So this is x4. This is y minus 22. It's a time to join all the points without the help of scale, because this is not a straight line, this is a curve. Now I'm going to join all the points. I will try my best to plot all the points and get a smooth curve. Not very successful, unfortunately, but you people have to draw a very good curve as compared to me. I am trying to join all the points again. So this is the graph of fx. It's a time to plot the graph of f inverse x. Reverse all the points. Minus 1, 3 becomes 3 minus 1. So this is 3, x3. This is minus 1. Then 2, 0, x2, y0. So this is the second point. Then x1, y minus 1. Sorry, then minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. This is the third point. Then minus 6, 2. This is minus 6. This is 2. Then 3 minus 13. Sorry, minus 13, 3. This is minus 13 and this is 3. And finally minus 22 and 4. This is minus 22 and this is 4. Join all the points. So this is the graph of inverse of a function. Again, I am telling it to you that the graph is not very good, but the theme is to how to plot the graph of function and its inverse. It's a time to plot the mirror line. So this is our mirror line. Y is equals to x. I want to join f inverse x points again because I am not satisfied. First, I am checking all the points of f inverse x. X is minus 1, y is 3. This is x minus 1. Sorry, x3, y minus 1. First x3, y minus 1. This is the first x3, y minus 1. This is the first point. Then 2, 0. This is the second point. Then minus 1, 1. This is the third point. then minus 6 2, then minus 13 3, and then minus 22 and 2. Correct. Joining points again. So this is the graph of f inverse x. Sorry for this. Actually, in new whiteboard, some features has lost. Unfortunately, I am not satisfied. But what should I do? Kindly ignore these mistakes. But please see what is the theme of the question. Okay, students. So this is our today's class where we have finished we have finished the whole exercise 1.7. And the good news is today we have finished first chapter number 1. The next chapter is the name of the second chapter is simultaneous equations and quadratics. Student, as you know, in the whole chapter number 1, I have done each and every question and each and every part. Kindly do work hard in order to get good marks. And if you feel any problem in any question, write in comment box. I will definitely help you. If you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, like my videos and share my videos to other students. Okay students, good luck for next class where we will start new chapter number